On the 500 days since the country's first COVID-19 case, South Korea's daily virus tally hovered near 700. With summer just around the corner, authorities have come up with prevention measures for vacationers. Han Sung-woo reports.
Wednesday marks 500 days since South Korea reported its first case of COVID-19. And since then, the country has seen a total of 141,476 infections and 1,965 deaths. Another 677 new cases were reported on Wednesday. The uptick comes after 3 days in the 400 range, partly due to fewer tests done over the weekend. Over 650 of Wednesday's cases were transmitted locally, with Seoul and the surrounding area accounting for 70.8% of them. At least 34 cases are being linked to an outbreak at a high school in northern Seoul, causing tests to be conducted at 13 schools nearby. With cluster infections still popping up nationwide, health authorities are concerned the situation may worsen once vacationers start heading to local beaches during the summer. So they've devised prevention measures in advance.
Visitors will be dispersed by separating crowded beaches into sections, spacing out parasols, and through a reservation system. We ask holiday goers to check in advance how congested the beaches are.
According to the Ministry of Oceans and Fisheries, Korea will run a 3-level alert system, green, yellow, and red, to warn tourists of congestion at beaches. The system applies to all 277 beaches in the country, and data on how crowded they are will be available on Naver and Kakao. Those going to large beaches will be given special stickers that change color when body temperatures hover above 37.5 degrees Celsius. At smaller beaches, travelers will be given wristbands to show their temperatures have been checked. A reservation system for beachgoers will also be expanded from 13 beaches in Jeollanam-do province last year to 50 spots across the country in 2021. And amid growing concerns that scanning QR codes may lead to personal information leaks, visitors will be able to check in by dialing a designated phone number at each beach. Han Sung-woo, Arirang News.